Welcome back, everybody. Today we have Nyalox cup brush versus lead-coated copper. This lead-coated copper is over 15 years old. It's got a cracked seam, and as anybody might know, the only way to solder lead is when it's clean and free of debris. If it has too much oxidation or patina, it's almost impossible to solder. So what we're attempting to do today is, with this nylon cup brush, it has medium aggressiveness, clean up this seam safely without harming the copper, and solder it. And there we have it, nice shiny copper. It is weldable. Nylox, I picked this up at Ace Hardware near where I work at. I found out it's readily available everywhere. I've been pretty impressed with this product. They come in different grits, sizes. They have flapper wheels, cup brushes, small cup brushes, you name it. It's pretty much, if you do Nylox near me, you'll find one somewhere near you at a pretty decent price. So there you have it. The results are in. Nylox versus lead-coated copper. Nylox wins. I'm really glad this worked out. We could solder it. Have a good day. Till the next time.